Whether you're selling parts, full product assemblies, or custom configurations, SwiftSell gives your dealers and customers a self-service portal to build quotes, see real-time pricing and inventory, and place orders online. In this video, we'll walk you through how SwiftSell connects directly to your SyteLine on-prem or CSI, so those orders can flow directly into your ERP for processing. No manual entry required.
In this demonstration, we'll be demonstrating how SwiftSell can be used to buy parts, configure products on a lightweight, easy-to-use platform that allows these orders to flow into CSI order processing. As you can see, right now we're looking at SwiftSell. And SwiftSell is an agnostic, lightweight solution that can be offered as a self-service portal to dealers and customers to streamline parts and quote ordering while providing that direct integration to your ERP and website. By increasing multiple sales channels, by having users easily configure product, access pricing, and place orders anytime, and as a result, this can free up your sales team to focus on higher value activity. And since we're logged in, have already identified ourselves as a registered user, but you can also present SwiftSell to the general public. SwiftSell can be launched out of your website or embedded directly on your website to maintain that seamless user experience. So let's go ahead and create a sales quote. Click on the button on New Quote to access the catalog. And our catalog view can be displayed as a list or as tiled. This catalog can also display certain products or pricing based on users and roles and profiles. So as a general user, this display and catalog and prices would look completely different than a registered dealer or a customer. And we can use SwiftSell to purchase products such as this tire. So let's go ahead and order a couple of tires. We can also use this to purchase some shocks and order this hub. Pulling information from the ERP, we can also display inventory levels to the right user. And so what we're going to do is we're going to add a semi-trailer or a configured product. And so SwiftSell is going to use images, drop-down menus, and other messaging to really be able to help guide users to select the right products correctly every time. And so we're going to go ahead and select aluminum sheet. We're going to select 45. And we're going to select exterior height of 13. And as you can see here, we see a message that tells me that this height of 13 is not compatible. This message is keeping users like myself from creating incorrect products, which will result in delayed product delivery. So if I change it to 13.6, that message now continues. And we go to threshold, diamond plate. And notice this message now is green. You can see messages that promote certain features to drive users to make those selections or reinforce messaging. And as we continue on, we're going to select the D-ring, swing, door height, swing door left. And as we can see here, we see the pricing at the top, and as well as we can see the configuration details of every single selection that we've made so far. And as we continue on, we're going to see the drawings of this semi-trailer. We go to floor material. We can see the drawing of this semi-trailer. As we continue on, we're going to select the suspension, ABS, and we can now see the final price. Let's go ahead and finish. And as you can see, we're back to our quote line with all of our products, which is our tire, our shocks, our motor, and our semi-trailer. So let's go ahead and finish. And as a registered user, our contact information is already populated with our shipping information. And now we can see the summary of what we've created. Here's our details, as well as our shipping information. And now we can enter in our PO number. And when we place our order, it now acknowledges that we have now placed our order. And if we go to our quotes page, we can see that order. There's our tire, our shock, our motor, and our semi-trailer. Now if we go to SyteLine, we go to customer order. As you can see, here's our customer. We go to lines, we can see our shock, our spindle motor, and our semi-trailer. And since this is tightly woven into CSI, it can now go through the normal channels of your manufacturing process to deliver these products.
Thanks for watching. If you have questions about how to streamline your quoting and order entry process with SwiftSell, Renaissance Tech is here to help. Reach out anytime. We'd be happy to chat.